Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. If you are new here, this is Carrie. Look at my mother's pumpkin patch. So, you know that I'm in Portland, right? From a top about my pumpkin patch, you know some of that country. So look at Mummy pumpkin patch. Mummy pumpkin patch is going on with a bag of things. Yes, the pumpkin is doing well. Fruitful and all that. Initially, she thought that it wasn't going to bear. Yeah, she and my cousin. Watch it out and think say the pumpkin never gonna bear because they were looking at the what you call it, mummy? A blossom? The yellow, yeah, blossoms. Because it was fruiting, but it was just pure male blossoms. But you know what I've learned? That the male blossoms come before the female blossoms. So if you pay attention to that, you think that the pumpkin, yeah, look at it. Look at this pumpkin right here. One big nice pumpkin right here. And it have more fruit on it. This is another one right here. Look guys, look. I'm showing you my mother pumpkin patch. See one here, so this dry up and drop off. But nonetheless, so it go. Some have to drop off along the way. There's another one down here. It seems as if it is going to go as well. Look at it. It drying up. But we still give God thanks for the two that we see coming, right? And we're optimistic that it will produce more. So when I see this pumpkin here, so the leaf them big and thing, I think I want big workless pumpkin that we were not going to get anything from it. But still, I know that the male flowering come first. And then, yeah, this is Mummy right here in her pumpkin patch. So the male flowering come first and then the female flowering come after, and the male flowering, that is what pollinates the female one. So the female ones come with a little fruit before the flowering. Yeah, the female flowers come with a little fruit before the flowering. The male flowers don't have any fruit before the flowering. So then after that happen, then the male flowering pollinates the female one. So I think it's bees or insects that pollinates the female flowers. And you can pollinate them yourself too, you know. Yes, you can pollinate them yourself. You can use like Q-tick and put it in the male flowers, and then you use that same Q-tick and put it in the middle of the female flowers. Look here. Look pumpkin. Look pumpkin, guys. Another one is right here. I'm telling us that the pumpkin patch are going with a bag of things. Yes. And we are so optimistic that it will produce so much more. Yeah. Guys, good morning. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Good morning. I'm in Portland. I am in Portland, guys. I'm in Portland. Enjoying the side. What is that, mommy? Oh, all right, Mama. So we must do our flowers them too and show our nice pretty yard. So this is my mother's um flowers right here in at her home, at her yard. Just look, bird pepper. You always hear me talking about bird pepper, right? Bird pepper right here, guys. Bird pepper.
You can do the flowers and don't get something.
Bird pepper. Look, look at the nice flowers. Look at the nice landscaping. Isn't the landscaping nice? Look down there. Look at mommy flowers down there. I'm going to go closer and let you see them. So the landscaping here is very nice. She take pleasure in her flowers and her gardening. Yeah, man, she love plant. From I was a young child growing up, mommy always planting something. If it's not her flowers, she'll plant something. Some fruits or some vegetable or something. So I am giving you a peek at my mommy's property. And down there, so if you look good down there, so is my late grandmother's property. So we are all close. Down there is where I am making the other chicken coop, the bigger chicken coop. It's now bushy, so we need to resume that project as soon as possible. So this is the nice countryside. This is the nice countryside, guys. This is the nice countryside. Gungo. Mummy always have gungo. A whole lot of gungos. Just look. Gungos right here. Gungos. Walipa gungo tree. You know, she all get gungo for sell, gungo for eat, gungo for sell, gungo for days. So that's the road below down there. So it look like a track right now. And then see down there is down there down the bottom is where we are making the larger chicken coop. So see more flowers here. See how mommy yard pretty, pretty. Are crowing them. Look, look there. Pretty, don't it? Leave a comment below and tell me if you think my mother landscaping our flowers is pretty. Roses right here. No roses on this though. Roses right here. Rose. One little pink one. Little pretty pink one is right here. And here she have a bunch of flowers in pots right here. Under a Julie mango tree. Look at my Julie mango tree. Man, the Julie mango tree here is best friends. I love Julie. Julie is one of my favorite mango. And when I was growing up, this Julie tree was my best friend. Yeah, man. When you can't find me, me down here so at the Julie mango tree. Yes, when I was growing up, down this area was my best place in the yard. I used to love down here so. So a limb there was a limb that was across here, a big sturdy limb, and a swing song was on it, and I used to song on the swing song right here. Look at mommy flowers. Look, aren't they pretty? Yeah, man, is a lady that take pleasure in her flowers. She take care of her flowers. Them look how her flowers them nice. So anyone who is interested in plants can specify so, and you can get plants to buy. Yes, we will do plant suckers for you. We'll pot them for you. So if you see anything that you like and that you may want, all right, you see, yeah, man. And there is more. All right, guys. Okay, guys, so until I come to you again with another home and garden video, so right now I am going to get some work done in my garden. So I specified in an earlier video that my garden wasn't doing so well, but a good amount of peppers leave from what we planted, and if I give them some attention, they will produce. So I'm going to do some work there today. I'm going to give the peppers some manure and trim them up and see what I can do to them to see if they will produce, right? So I'm gonna leave you here for today, and thank you so much for viewing. Thank you so much for always coming back. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. I appreciate you guys so much. Bye.